we talk about durability. ISO 12944 is the global standard for atmospheric corrosion. ISO 12944. It divides the whole world into 6 corrosivity categories: C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, CX. CX is offshore, right? C1, no corrosion. And within these corrosivity categories, they have given 4 durability ranges. So if low durability is 0 to 7 years, medium durability is 7 to 15 years, high durability is 15 to 25 years, very high durability is greater than 25 years. So as the asset owner, you can demand and you can write your specification and say, my coating system should have very high durability. That means greater than 25 years. So then what happens is you get a coating system which, if maintained correctly, will give a life greater than 25 years. This is where the long-term focus comes through. And when you do this long-term focus, you get a lot more out of the money that you spend and out of the work that you do. You spend a lot of energy and money to protect your assets. How do you ensure that you get long-term protection? So I think that if it comes, and I can tell you, the standard ISO 12944 standard has been revised, right, recently in 2018. There was no very high durability criterion in the old standard, but the new standard gives that very high durability. So what we are basically saying is we are encouraging that you demand a lot more. The technology is available, but sometimes our specifications that we follow are very old. So we need to adopt and move. And